Hey, what's up, guys? I'm out here. Got the bracket in. It doesn't seem to be the same exact one, but it's close. Let's see here. I mean, it's close, but oh fuck, who knows? See what we can do. But there's the old one. She's rotted. So let's see what we can do here. Here's where it goes. So lube this one down. Let's try the bottom one first. Alright, so what I'll do is pre-spray this with lube. That's your ticket of getting this off and on, is the lube. Hold on. Alright guys, I got it on. Lube is the ticket. There it is. That's why they make it universal. I bet you ain't going nowhere. It's right where it should be. So, lube is your ticket to getting it on and off. And having a jack to be able to move this up and down a little bit. There's my power wire, still doing good. It's like nothing even ever happened to it. Never moved an inch. It's awesome. But yeah, lube is your ticket to getting the job done. So, done dealy. You need a big ass screwdriver. You don't need the crowbar. Just a big ass screwdriver and that wrench. And a jack. And WD, that's your ticket. Peace out.